What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here at Dusable Harbor working on knockout charters. Check out this catamaran that has been customized and built for this group of guys that we're working on. We're doing a Starlink install, TV, and we're upgrading some of the electrical. Putting a TV here for the guy. This way. It's a pretty cool layout. It's got enough space, corporate hangout. Check this out. Real nice. We're at Dusable Harbor working. There's the helm. What a great view. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for subscribing, like, and share.